Make $300 a day selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. That's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be short, quick, brief, to the point, and it's going to show you that it's really not that hard at all. I do it, and as many of you already know, I'm a truck driver, a full-time worker. I do this in addition to my regular job, and I encourage you to do the same. But it all comes down to just a few factors. So let's jump right into it. This is what to sell on Amazon. I'm Horace. Let's go. Okay, hustlers, thank you for taking a moment to spend some time with me. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine. This is what to sell on Amazon. And on this channel, we talk all things selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business model that goes for both online and retail. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Do it right now. It's absolutely free and you won't miss any of the videos that we come out with each and every week for your benefit. So let's jump right into it. Okay, here's the deal, guys. The first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you my screen so we can kind of see where I am in all of this. Okay, so let's fade on over to my Amazon Seller Central account, and you can see today is August the 11th. The year is 2021. I haven't had a sale today. That happens. So there's nothing. And then if you go over the last 7 days, you can see $2,579.43. If you go 15 days, $6,506.52. If you go 30 days, 371 units sold, $984.16, just to give you an idea of what I've done over the running 30 days. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to jump over to a software that I use called Inventory Lab. And when we do that, you're going to see exactly what we did for the month of July. We're going to use July as the basis for that. So to Inventory Lab. And here's what you're going to notice when we look at the month of July. What you can see is we did we did $9,275.99 for the month of July. And you can see the profit. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take that 9,275.99. We're going to divide that by the 31 days that you had in July. And that's going to give you $299.22. That's close enough to 300. Wouldn't you agree? Okay. Now, from there, what we're going to do, we're going to hop back over. We're back into my Seller Central account. And what you can see, we're looking at the month of July from the 1st to the 31st. And you can see numbers are slightly different because reconciliations have to happen between the software Inventory Lab and Seller Central. If you look at what happened last year, this is significantly lower because we still had a lot going on with Corona. People were still ordering quite a bit more online. So you're going to see things like that happen. But the point I'm looking at is here. Our average sale was $27.84, just so we can actually crunch some numbers on that. Okay. So basically here, if we want to make 300 a day and our average sale is $27.84, then we probably need to sell about 10, 11 units a day. Okay. Just to kind of give you an example, because the bottom line is this, guys. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what business you're doing, whether you're selling on Amazon, anything else, you have a goal. So you need to, number one, start with the goal. How much money do you want to make? The next thing you have to figure out is what is your average sale, okay? What amount of revenue are you bringing in with your average sale? And then all you need to do from there is figure out how many sales you need per day, per week, per month to reach your goal. Now we're talking gross figures. So it is your responsibility to figure out after expenses, what is it that you actually get to keep? And then you can go from there. Okay. Now I can show you how to make the money. It's up to you to figure out, okay, I got expenses, I got cost, I got other things, and you make the adjustments, you tweak it, figure it out. Okay. Like any other business, you can do it. You don't need your hand held all the way every step. Okay. You're smart, you're intelligent, and you can figure this out. But what we can do is show you how to think, how to put it together, how to make the money. Now watch this. So if we know we need to do about 10, 11 sales a day, because in this case, the average sale cost was $27.84. Okay. Then the next question for you is, how do I, find the products? Okay. It's really that simple, guys. We're not gonna delve real deep into that because we got so many videos out here that really break this down. I don't need to waste your time getting into all of this unless you're ready to make the investment of your time into studying. We got all of that for you. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you exactly what I mean here. So what we're going to do is, once again, we're going to jump over into my seller account and watch what happens here. We're going to look at something that you can see we sold 2 days ago, 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago. So we're talking, we started selling this in June. We sold some in July. So, when we're looking at July's numbers, this is something that was sold in July. 2 of them, as you can see here, right? They sold for $34.99. All it is, it's a woman's shirt. And incidentally, where did I find this? I found this while providing leads to a leads list that I have. Okay, it's part of what we call the Arbitrage Total Trading System. And what we do is provide ungated leads for newbies. So if that's something that you have a challenge with, if you need leads, that's great. But if you haven't found ungated leads, I can help. The link will be in the description. But the bottom line is this. If we come over into Inventory Lab, and that's why I love Inventory Lab, guys. We'll put a card up in the corner that we got videos about Inventory Lab. What's great about it is it actually helps you run your business. Because of Inventory Lab, I can look and I can see. Remember those ones we sold in July? How much money did we make? See, it's real nice when right away you can see I paid $13.23. Okay, I had a profit of $6.01. Okay, that's a 45% return on investment. Okay, and a 17.1% profit on that. Okay, that's not bad, guys. What did you really do? Place an order. These things already came with the poly bag in it. That's how it comes, because these came from Kohl's. Okay, and I can show you how to get free money from Kohl's. We got videos on Kohl's. You know what, Jim? Put the card up there. Show them where they can watch the videos on Kohl's. See, they call me King Cole. Old King Cole. You understand what I'm saying? You can get free money. I talk about all of that. So this is the point, guys. All of that information is available. If you want the ungated leads, you got it. But again, all you need to do is have a goal. Number one, it starts with the goal. You need to know how much money you want to make. Number two, you need to know what your average costs are. That way you have a basis. Okay. From there, you figure out, okay, how much do I need to sell per day, per week, per month to make that? Then you need to know, if you're going to do arbitrage, how are you going to Find the products. How are you going to evaluate the products? We got videos about that. Matter of fact, show them, Jim. We got 2 videos that they teach you how to evaluate a product. Okay. I'm not big into getting newbies ungated because there's so much money to be made out there without spending the time, money, energy, and effort into getting ungated. You worried about getting ungated in Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, and all this stuff, and you ain't even made a sale yet. There's so much to learn. There's so much to experience. There's so much money to make without even getting into that. You thinking, oh, I'm gated and everything. No, you're not. No, you're not. I get this all the time. And then we sit down, we look, and they go, oh, wow. Okay. So that's my point, guys. And that leads me to my next point. If you want help, I'm here. Text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen. And when you do that, you'll fill out a quick form. Everything's automated. Okay. And then from there, you can start asking me those quick questions that you have. If we need to hop on a call, we'll hop on a call. It's not that serious, guys. Some of you have spent money, $500, $1,000 or more on a course, and you can never pick up the phone and call the person that sold you that course. I'll do it. And guess what? Maybe 1% of the people watching this video will actually take me up on that. Maybe 1%. You know why? Because most people would rather spend the $2,000, do nothing, and then complain, okay, and say it doesn't work. I don't understand that, but that's just human nature, I guess. If you're part of the 1% or less that will actually take advantage of this, go ahead, text the number on your screen. You're not going to hurt me because not that many people. Number one, I'm a very small channel. I've accepted that. That's fine. Number two, I'm doing the business, so I ain't really worried about it. I don't just talk and teach and all this. I'm doing it, and I work a regular job. So it's really not bad that a whole bunch of people don't hit me up all the time with all these questions and stuff because I'm busy doing my own stuff. Don't worry that you're bothering me. You're not. Okay. If I ain't got the time, I'll get to you as soon as I can. But 9 times out of 10, I got the time because not too many people take me up on this. Okay. That's what this is really all about. Again, make sure you subscribe. Okay. Because now we're going back live again. This Sunday we'll be live, and it won't just be me. Do you really want to just hear me yipping and yakking? We got close to, what do we got, Jim? 250 videos or better with me yakking. See, we got a whole panel now. It's not just about me. It's about you. And in order to best serve you, we brought in some of my best panelists because we got a private group, and we're bringing those people that want to help you out. So make sure you subscribe. That way you don't miss the notification that's going to let you know when we go live this Sunday. We're going to be talking about definitely something we talked about last week. Supplies. Okay, because if you're going to do this, some of you guys are going to be merchant fulfilling. Some of you guys need to prep. Okay, we got videos on this channel about prepping if you want to get into that. Somebody let me know that we got an insurance deal coming out with Amazon because, you're actually supposed to be insured up to like $1 million for damages or whatever if you sell on Amazon. So we need to cover that. That's definitely a topic we'll probably discuss. And anything else, because it's mostly for you, for your questions. All right, guys. Remember, all roads lead to tactical arbitrage out here. That's where I'm finding my leads because I do a lot of online arbitrage and I use tactical arbitrage, and we have courses. We have the lightning course. We have the lightning course 1.1. We got the lightning course 1.2. We got the lightning course part 2. We're coming out with 2.1. But the point is this: tactical arbitrage is a wonderful software. We got videos they show you, but when you get that free trial that everybody wants you to sign up for, you don't know what you're doing. What we want is for you to already know and be able to get those searches going so that while you got your free trial, because we want you to use the link down in the description, right? Everybody wants you to use that link down in the description. What good is the link if you don't know what you're doing? Take these courses. They're about 10 minutes each. Take one. If you just took one, You know what's going to happen? When you get in there and you get started, you'll already know what you're doing. And what's that going to do for you? That means the software is making you money before you spend a dime. That's what we want. That's why we put this together for you. So link is down in the description. Those videos are right here on the channel. Ain't got to sign up for nothing. So I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm looking to see you on Sunday.